So, good day everyone. Our research title is Engaging Young Minds, Rating Strategies and Environment Factors to Enhance Attention Span for Primary Pupils. So, ang among focus diriya is enhance attention span. Then ang among target is ang primary pupils. Then ang among method is rating strategies and environment. So, this this is This study focuses on how teachers can help primary pupils stay focused in class. Young learners easily lose attention. It is important to use effective strategies and create a positive classroom environment. So, ang among first supporting article is Classroom Behavior Management and Student Attention in Elementary. So, which explain the proper classroom behavior management helps pupils pay attention. So when teachers set clear rules and routines, pupils know what is expected of them and can focus better on learning. So ang among second article is the role of classroom environment in improving pupils' attention and engagement. So diri gi-discuss nga the role of the classroom environment factors such as lighting, setting arrangement, and cleanliness is makatabang po siya sa mga bata nga ma-feel comfortable. So, kung ang bata is kanang naka-feel sila og comfortable, so ganahan sila kanang uh, mas daghan pa ilang more engage and attention during lesson. So, ang among third article is using positive reinforcement strategies to increase on task behavior of primary pupils. So, diri is nag-focus on positive reinforcement strategies. Praising pupils for good behavior encourages them to stay on task and participate actively in class. So, ang among fourth article is effects of physical classroom environment on student attention and academic performance. So, diri gipakita nga ang physical classroom environment including noise level and classroom arrangement affect, affect pupils' attention and academic performance. A quiet and organized classroom helps pupils concentrate better. So, ang among ikaduha nga research title is mo ni siya ang examining the effect of picture book reading intervention on younger school age children with different reading skills and vividness of visual imagery. So, ang among focus diri is examining the effect of picture book reading interventions. And ang among target is sa younger school age children. And ang among method is different reading skills and vividness of visual imagery. So, nami tulo ka ay upat ka supporting article. So, ang first is the impact of picture book reading on young children's reading comprehension. So, diri is this article gi-explain nga ang picture book reading dako kayo og tabang sa mga bata para masabtan nila ang story. Then, ang pictures support the text and help young children focus, imagine, and comprehend what they read. So, ang among ikaduha nga article is Picture Book and Visual Imagery in Children Literacy Development. So, diri Kini nga study is nagpakita nga ang picture books makatabang sa mga bata nga makahimo og mental image while nagbasa sila. This image support imagination and help children connect pictures with words which improve reading skills. So, ang ikatulo namo nga article is effects of shared books reading on early reading skills. So, kini nga article is this article that shared book reading between adults and children improves vocabulary comprehension and early reading skills, regular reading intervention and effective for young learners. So, kaya is kanang mas mo improve ang vocabulary o comprehension sa usa ka bata ug kanang magbasa siya og kanang mga libro nga naay parents nga kanang guide sa iya kay mas masabtan man gud niya to kung unsa ang nasa kanang libro nga iyang gibasa. So ang ikaapat is individual differences in children's visual imagery and reading ability. So kani nga study is explain that children's differ in how vividly they imagine while reading. Children with stronger visual imagery often understand text better than those with weaker imagery. So moto ang amo ang duha ka research title, then naay mga kauban na supporting articles. So mara to thank you.
Good day, everyone. So, our third research title is Examining the Effect of a Picture Book Reading Intervention in Younger School Age Children with Different Reading Skills and Vividness of Visual Imagery. The focus of this study is the effect of a picture book reading intervention. So, the target of this study is younger school age children, and the method is different reading skills and vividness of visual imagery. So, supporting articles, Article 1, the impact of picture book reading on young children reading comprehension. So, this article shows that the picture help children understand stories better. So, it supports the focus on picture reading. Article 2, Picture and Visual Imagery in Children Literacy Development. So, this article explained that picture help children create mental image while reading. It supports the focus on visual imagery. So, the Article 3, Effects of Shared Book Reading on Early Reading Skills. So, this article shows that reading books with children improves vocabulary and reading skills. Article 4, Individual Differences in Children's Visual Imagery and Reading Ability. So, this article explained that the children's differ in how they imagine image and how will they read. It supports the target group of children with different reading skills and imagery levels. So the title is supported by all four articles because these show that the picture book reading, visual imagery, and individual reading differences affect children's reading development. So that's all. Thank you.